Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you guys. Jantima is an Instagram star and model who is known for her plus-size figure and for modeling for different companies and posting the pictures for her over lots of Instagram followers. She was brought up in Thailand by her parents and spent her childhood there. She has been interested in being a model since a young age. She soon started getting recognition as a fashion model on Instagram. She is a well-known Instagram model known for his beautiful photos and great curvy physique. Nowadays she was very famous social media platform. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.